Okay, now here we have some really nice things. This is all a Buddhist setup here. Most things are brass, and I'll give you a bit of a closer perspective on what is included. And you've got incense holders and all kinds of things. Now, let us go and find some lights over here, and I'll get some more organised over here. Right then, now what we have here is a lot of heavy stuff, and therefore I'm thinking it wouldn't be a good idea to send any of this via sea, although some of it's heavy. It's still like beautifully delicate kind of stuff. This here also. So a lot of things. I mean, it's going to be very expensive to send. I've included some real deal incense, and this is the sort of incense you would definitely find at temples and shrines, and it does smell gorgeous. Okay, so as you can see, an enormous array of quite heavy. It's going to be quite a heavy box. I'm thinking of possibly, I can get it all in the one box. I'm going to have to do some individual wrapping and things like that. It's going to be a mission. But due to weight, it's very expensive, and you know, everything else that's combined in that particular issue. So that will be that. It's like this sort of thing reminds me of Indiana Jones. Yeah, the Last Crusade, you know. Choose a cup. Things like that. Didn't even stand that one up. Pop some incense in there. Not exactly sure what this is that came with it. Whether that's, you know, to me it looks like an ashtray. But possibly you slide incense in on the sides here. No, not I. It's a really groovy cast iron looking piece. But that came with it. So no, not I. I'm no master of anything. Not at all. You get a few extra bits and pieces of trinkety things which I do not have the slightest idea about, but they are there. That looks like a lid of some kind. Whether it's what it actually belongs to, I'm not so certain. Possibly, I'm not certain, so I didn't do it. But yeah, as I say, it's going to be very heavy, and I can't send this via the cheapest sea method. It's just going to get hurt. And therefore I think the best would be sell economy air, although that's still going to be very expensive. There's nothing I can do about that. That's the way it is, and these days this sort of thing is getting really expensive, and yeah, I don't know if I'm even going to be able to continue to purchase things like this, because it's just gotten beyond the possibility of, you know, of even being able to sustain it. So, you know, so I might have to try doing different things. Although I do find this sort of thing to be extremely beautiful. And I only deal in things that I like. So, sorry for being so stubborn, but that's me. Alright.